Hello, students. This is Miss Michaud, and this is your resume assignment. Please open up this template found on Google Classroom. At the top of the resume, you'll see that there is a header. So you want to substitute your information for the information that you see here. Okay. In the education section, you should substitute your own information for this. You want to leave York High School with the address, change the year of graduation, and the resume is used to highlight your strong points. So if you don't have a strong GPA or a percent average, you should leave it out. And if you don't know, I would look up in PowerSchool what your averages are, and you can use a percentage here. So you can actually do approximately 94% here if you want to. Next is the experience section. This here you want to put in any experience, including volunteer experience. You want to place the information in reverse chronological order, so the most recent first. And so you put start dates here. You can use months to estimate where you worked, locate the address and phone number, supervisor's name, and the supervisor's email. And then what did you do or what did you accomplish using action-oriented words. So if you wash dishes, there's no way to glorify that. You're just going to write wash dishes here. Okay? Next is the skills and qualifications section. I've listed some common skills and transferable skills. So if they pertain to you, leave them there. If they don't, delete them. Here, partially fluent in, list your languages. If none, just delete that line. Same with programming skills. And you should have, don't underestimate what you have to offer. So you should have at least 6, 7, or 8 skills and qualifications listed here. Again, if they do not pertain to you, please leave them out. So prospective employers and prospective colleges like to know that you're a well-rounded individual. So include any activities that you're involved in. Again, use reverse chronological order, and also an interested in phrase here. Now, don't write hanging out with friends. Everybody likes that, but you want to leave that out. Awards, if you have any, you want to list them here. They can be academic. They can be community related or athletic. Again, most recent first. And then references, write available upon request. The idea here is that you send your resume with a cover letter. If they're interested, they'll call you up and ask for an interview. Now, a resume is a marketing tool, so it should be used to highlight what your strengths are. And in reality, a real resume would be tailored to a specific job. But for the purposes of this assignment, please just create a generic resume like the one you see here. Proofread it carefully, make sure it's aligned. I also require that you have 4 references, and these are people that can attest to your skills and character and abilities that are not friends or family or friends of family. So teachers, mentors, coaches, employers would be a good idea. Most people at the high school prefer the professional information. So you could just copy and paste my information and substitute the name in the email. Could be your pride leaders, your counselors, your teachers, your coaches. So you should have 4 of them. Once you get that done, you can delete this informational piece right here. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to me, and make sure you submit your completed resume on Google Classroom. You may need to unsubmit it after I give you some feedback on how to make it better, because this really should be a perfect document. It's a marketing tool for when you apply for a job or college. Thanks. Reach out for questions if you have any.